Hello, my dear kids. Today we are going to learn the lesson Happy Birthday from the Primary 1 Pupil Book and Workbook, Unit 9. These are the objectives of my lesson: to improve knowledge regarding exact names, to make aware students about the linking word and rhyming words. I am going to ask a small question from you. Do you like to go to both birthday parties? Yes, why not? All of you like. Here you can see an invitation. Shall we read this? Yes. Harry and Basma invite you to their party on Saturday, 15th June at 3 o'clock until 6 o'clock. We will meet in the park and play team games. Then we will go to Harry's house for a special birthday lunch. We hope you can come. Are you ready to answer these questions? Is it Harry and Basma's party on 15th June? Yes, it's on 15th June. Is it Harry's and Basma's party on Friday? No, it's not on Friday. It's on Saturday. Does the party start at 3 o'clock? Yes, it starts at 3 o'clock. Will they play team games at Harry's house? No, they will play the team games in the park. Will they eat lunch at Harry's house? Yes, they will take the lunch at Harry's house. Days of the week. First day is Monday. Can you guess? Can you describe this picture? On Monday, they are playing. Then Tuesday. See, on Tuesday, she is dancing. Wednesday. On Wednesday, he is listening to music. Thursday. On Thursday, she is reading a book. Friday. On Friday, she is cleaning the house. Saturday. On Saturday, they are going to a party. Sunday. On Sunday, he is watching a movie. Now, tell me how many days per week? Can you remember? Good. There are 7 days. Tell me. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Altogether 7 days. Now tell me, how many days do you come to school? 5 days you come to school. Now look at this chart. Shall we fill this chart? Days of the weeks are given. You have to tell what you do. Tell me, on Monday what do you do? You can tell, on Monday I go to school. Like that, you can tell 5 days you go to school. Other than that, if you have extra activities or classes, you can tell that also. Now, look at these words. Days of the week are here. 7 days are here. Names of the people also here. Shall we read this? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Names of the people: John, Mala, Pat, Anne, Sita, Kate. We call these words special naming words. Special naming words begin with capital letter. See, I have circled first letter. It is in capital. Days of the week are special naming words. Names of people are also special naming words. Special naming words are proper nouns. Shall we read these pictures? What's this picture? Sea. And what's this? Seed. Next picture, it's a leaf. This is tree. And last picture is eat. See the letter patterns. Double E and EA. Often double E and EA have the same sound. See, seed, leaf, tree, eat. See, the same sound is there. Joining word and. Look at this example. There are two sentences. Sentence 1. We will meet in the park. Sentence 2. We will play team games. Shall we combine these sentences? We will meet in the park and play team games. We can make one sentence by using the word and. Remember, need one capital letter and one full stop. Example 2. There are two sentences. First is, I go to the market. Second is, I buy fruits. I go to the market and buy fruits. We combine the sentence using the word and. If I ask you to write about your birthday, how do you write? Here, sample is given. Shall we read this? My birthday. It is my birthday today. I am having a good time. I like opening my presents. My best present is from my grand. It is a red ball. Can you write a sample like this about your birthday? Rhyming words. Rhyming words are two or more words that have the same or similar ending sound. When you are figuring out if two words rhyme, use your ears to listen as you say the words. If they sound the same or similar, they rhyme. Say the words in the pictures and practice listening to words that rhyme. See? Moon rhymes with spoon. Moon, spoon. See the last two letters? O, N. Then hat rhymes with bat. At. Last two letters are at. Hat, bat. Then house rhymes with mouse. House, mouse. Shall we match these rhyming words? First word is go. Can you guess? Go rhymes with the word no. Second word mop. See the last two letters O, P. Mop rhymes with top. Third word neat. Last two letters at. At. Neat rhymes with seat. Then lean. Last two letters a, n. Lean rhymes with bean. The last word is bug. A, g. Bug rhymes with rug. Do these exercises given in your pupil book and workbook. Hope you all have understood the lesson. Thank you. Bye.